we have engaged in a process of almost paralysis around how we administer procurement, largely because of perceptions of corruption. Fully understand and appreciate that, and we need to deal with that. But each time we add a layer, it further slows down the process. And as it relates to Cornwall Regional, the process has been inordinately long. I do agree that some of the delays were because of lack of competent expertise, experienced expertise, which led us to stop in parts to seek that expertise. And of course, the in-depth analysis, because with a brownfield site, every corner you go around, you find that there's another problem, which is why we took the decision to strip the building down to bare bones, put some meat on the bone, and rebuild a modern hospital, because it really never made sense to try and patch every leaking pipe or replace every broken wire, because that would just be a forever exercise, and the people of Jamaica would not get the value that they deserve. So we know that we knew that we would attract some criticisms, but we think it was worth taking the decision. And as the leader of the pack, I take responsibility that we have done what we needed to do, and I think it is the right approach, and the people will be better off for it.